everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these face lifting patches. It does come with 120 pieces is what it says, and it shows you exactly where to apply them right down here. So this is really cool. I've seen these, and I was curious about them, but I didn't know exactly what they were. So they have different ones. Okay. So they have a ton of these, which are like little tiny ones like this. And then it has these right here. I don't know what the string is for. It doesn't come with instructions. It does tell you on the side. It shows like little pictures on the side, so you can see. So this one has like strings and everything. But they also have these ones, which are probably going to be a lot easier to use. And that's the one that it shows on how to use right here. So let me go ahead and take one off, and we're going to apply it real quick. So it is like a Band-Aid type thing. That's what it looks like. So let's try right here, because I do have this. So you want to place it like this. It may be because I have makeup on. Yeah, this is not. Okay, there's. Okay, so this comes off too. Okay, so you're not gonna be able to see this once it's on. Okay, hold on. I think it's because I have makeup on right there. So, I don't have makeup on through here. Because I know that you can like lift up your brows and everything with this. Let me see. I'm gonna try it again. Okay, so as you can see, I got this and I cleaned off the foundation through here. I pulled my hair up and I put these little elastic bands, and then I connected them together in the back. So I just pulled it back, and when you have your hair pulled forward like this, you cannot tell. Like the before and after are crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off and show you what my face looks like without them. But yeah, like I said, just put these, clean off your makeup, or do it before you put on makeup, put them on. You can put foundation over these. And then I just like to clip my hair back like this. And as you can see, these are the strings, and I just have them clipped together right here. And so I have both things. This is a black string and the other one is white. And you just put it through these little loopholes. Like let's say this is one right here. You would take this part right here and you would put it through this little hole. That's how I did it. And then I put it through this hole right there. And as you can see, when you put this tape to your skin and you pull back, it's going to really just lift everything up. But you are going to want to pull your hair forward so that you cannot see the tape. But I'm going to take this off and show you guys like what it looks like when I undo this. So it's pretty easy to cover up, especially if I had like hair extensions in. It would make it even easier. As you can see, I'm just going to unclip this part. If I can get my hair, unclip this from this. that side undid, so you can see the difference on that side. So now that I got that part done, you can see. So that's what the difference looks like. Now look, that's before, after, before, after. So it just gives you a facelift. So when you pull this back, it's going to just make everything smooth. And you can use these in different places. I've seen people use them underneath their chin just to kind of lift this up like that. You could use them if you're like more saggy through here. The more wrinkles you have, the more of a difference you're going to see. I don't have a lot of wrinkles right now, so it's not going to look the same. But then it comes off like that, and you can see you can put foundation and stuff on top of this and hide it really well. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.